Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update for a Windows update for Windows 10. Two versions are affected in here. If you're on the latest update, the April 2018 update, which is version 1803, you have KB4464218 that is appearing into Windows Update. It will up your version number to 17.134.286. Sorry. So basically, if you go here and you type WinVer in the command line, you will see that you're at 17.134.286, latest build number. No security fixes in here, by the way. It's really just a bug fix. It fixes a Microsoft Intune issue that occurs after installing any of the updates released between July 24th and September 11th. And it's basically a personal information exchange certificate that's used for authentication to Wi-Fi or VPN that actually takes longer than usual and sometimes fails. I guess it was a important enough problem that they wanted to issue a fix in here. So there's no security fixes in here, nothing to worry about. If you're on the Fall Careers update still, you are getting KB4464217. And it will up your build number to 16299.666. So check it out. If you have no issues, it's not a rush. You don't have to, hurry up. It does not contain any security updates, but it's worth noting that this is, of course, a update released today, Monday, September 17th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.